Welcome back, guys. We're starting off day 3, I think, here in Harmony of the Seas at the boardwalk. We're gonna have breakfast at China Rocket, so a little bit of wait, but hopefully it won't take too long. So wait and see. Okay, we finally sat down, so here's a look at the menu. Which one thing to point out is that on an Oasis class ship, Johnny Rocket's breakfast is actually included. So definitely worth trying it out. So we're basically sitting right next to the Ultimate Abyss. And does anyone like the slide? You don't like it?
I got stuck, so it wasn't very fast.
It was this ship that we tried the Ultimate Abyss, yeah?
Yeah.
That was a while ago, though.
I mean, I recommend that you try it. It's interesting with it being a dry slide. You're kind of in like this pouch.
It's like a potato sack.
A potato sack type thing.
It's worth trying.
Yeah, it's worth trying.
It's not great, but it's worth trying.
It's the fastest way to get from pool deck down to 6. That's for sure.
It really is. Okay, we got breakfast here. So we actually ordered 3 things, or I ordered 2. And this here is the Works, I think. The Works scrambled eggs or something like that.
Scrambled eggs with like bacon, vegetables, and chili.
Yeah. And then this is the belt sandwich.
Yeah.
Bacon, eggs, lettuce, tomato. So that Claire got
the
veggie scrambled eggs. So, but yeah, again, all included.
Yeah, they do have some items on the menu for additional charge, but most of the menu is included.
Yeah, so which is nice. So
for breakfast only.
Yeah, that's true.
So like lunch and dinner here,
yeah,
everything's gonna have charge.
But it's a small fee.
Yeah.
It's actually our first time outside on the pool deck. It's already day 3. Pool deck's crowded. So we walked into the Solarium Bistro, and this is actually where Chef's Table is. So we have reservations here. I don't remember what day, but we'll see. This is where we need to go. Claire confirmed that our reservation is for tomorrow night. So that's Tuesday night? No, Wednesday night in Roatan. While we're in Roatan, so it's pretty cool. I guess we have to go all the way up to deck 15, head towards the aft of the ship, and to the Solarium Bistro. And then I guess we'll figure out where to check in from there. Okay, so as Claire pointed out, check-in's right by the door. So it's right there. I don't know how I missed it earlier, but gosh, I think it's cool. I think it'll be fun.
So I wanted to take advantage of the Black Friday sales for like the excursions and dining reservations. And since this cruise falls on Valentine's Day, I was thinking Chef's Table would be a great dinner for a Valentine's Day dinner. And so I would put money, like I know exactly where I was when I was looking at the prices, and Chef's Table I think was, I'd have to look it up. I think it was definitely under 100 per person, but I want to say it was between like 50 and 75, which every course includes a wine pairing. So I thought that was a great deal, and I've heard great things about Chef's Table. So again, I would put money down that I booked it for Valentine's Day, and I went like all the way through the payment process. Well, a couple weeks later, I go back to double check, and the order is nowhere to be found. And then, of course, Chef's Table is no longer available for Valentine's Day. So we adjusted everything, and we're not doing Chef's Table in lieu of Caribbean Night. And then we're doing 150 Central Park, the steakhouse, on Valentine's Day. So it was odd, but at least I got it reserved.
So there only appears to be 18 seats. That's why it's kind of hard to book. You have to book it right away, but I don't know. It'll be interesting. It's a really, really long table, though.
So it does look like Chef's Table is normally $100 per guest, plus gratuities. Right now, for a future cruise, there's 15% off, so it's $85 plus gratuities. I was able to book with the Black Friday deal for the 2 of us It was like $165 for both of us with gratuities included. So slightly better deal for that Black Friday deal. But definitely if you're interested, just check the pricing because there's always some kind of a deal going on. And if you book it and then there's a better price that comes up later, you can cancel your booking and then rebook it with a better price. So.
All right, and so while we're in Solarium Bistro, we were waiting for the buffet to open up here instead of going to the Windjammer. So we'll check this out. Picked up my food, and really I just got rice and some fried fish, which is actually flounder. Claire got her food, and she was able to find some good-looking stuff there. I really want some French fries.
I know, I couldn't pass up these French fries. I've been wanting to go to the Windjammer just for a little taste of these French fries. So. Yeah.
I may have to go grab some now.
These are kind of the bottom of the barrel, so hopefully you'll get a fresher stock.
Oh, man. Yeah, it's nice because the Solarium Bistro is not crowded at all.
And they're like pretty frequently refreshing the food, so definitely a more calming experience than the Windjammer where you're kind of fighting for your life sometimes. Got the elbows out.
Yeah, no. This is really nice. Sadly, we haven't even been to Windjammer yet.
I know. We'll make it there. Probably.
So we just sat through a presentation on Alaska cruises. And now...
That was a bad idea.
Very bad idea. I highly suggest don't do it.
Because you will be wanting to book an Alaskan cruise if you did not already.
So now we went to the next cruise to go talk to them a little bit about it.
We'll see.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see.
It's expensive.
It is, but when we started looking up some other dates, like, oh my gosh, this is actually a good deal. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? You guys been on an Alaska cruise? Because it's something we've been looking at. Something I know Claire wants to do. And I don't know. Tough decision. But now, sitting back at the schooner bar, waiting for... What is it we're doing?
Name that tune, Taylor Swift trivia.
Claire's been studying for like weeks. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna embarrass myself. I'm not very... Apparently, it's song titles and albums, and I'm not good with the albums.
That's tough. I don't know why they would do both. Who knows? See what happens.
I got 34 out of 40. There's 1 point for the song, 1 point for the era. It was really hard. They only gave a few seconds of the song. And then, of course, you're like trying to get through the rest of the lyrics, trying to think of what the album title is.
I would have gotten 0.
Well, and he was telling me that as I'm like trying to think through a song. And he was like, I don't know any of these. And I was like, I cannot concentrate.
I got in trouble.
Well, like, we're overlooking the promenade, so there's just like a lot of noises, and like my head cannot focus.
And then someone came by.
Gave me a duck because I did a good job. But 3 teams got perfect scores, so.
All right, starters are here at the dining room. Caesar salad, of course, as always. Claire got something a little different.
The beef carpaccio.
That looks good. Is that what you normally get?
Yeah, it's really good. It has these like garlic chips. It's
Yeah,
really
that looks
good.
pretty good. Main course. Chicken parmesan and spaghetti. Yay!
New York strip.
And dessert. I'm pretty sure this is the chocolate hazelnut cake, if I'm not mistaken. Claire got the...
Berry and oat bar or something along those lines.
Huh.
I ordered it last night, so I'll have to re-look at what the name is.
Looks good though. Looks healthy. Mine does not. And that is it for day 3. Harmony of Seas.
That's a good day.
Sea day. Did you have a good day?
Yes. Of course, it was a sea day.
We did not much again. We did a little bit more. We did trivia. You did trivia. I sat there and got in trouble.
We were distracted. They played such short clips of the songs, and everybody in the trivia, you could hear them like singing through the lyrics. Like, and the girl next to me, so one of the songs was The Last Great American Dynasty, and she was like, I know this is a song about the girl going crazy and that she dyed her neighbor's dog key lime green, and I was like, I know.
Oh, yeah.
So I mean, it was fun. But yeah. Well, tomorrow on this current cruise is Honduras, which we've never done, so that's exciting.
Yep.
We've got an excursion plan through Royal, so we'll see how that goes, and we will see you guys soon.
I'm excited about it. See ya.